بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيد خلق الله محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Dear followers, I'm just gonna say dear followers, I'm gonna stop here because I'm gonna talk to adults and the kids, especially the little children and the parents, about learning online. التعليم عن بعد. Learning online. التعليم عن بعد. So we're going to talk about some قوانين, some rules. قوانين, rules. قانون, it's one, singular. قانون, rule, rule. قوانين, rules. So I am doing both sides. If you are seeking Arabic, so I'm giving you the word in English, Arabic. If you are seeking English, I'm giving you the word in English. So it's reciprocal. It's both sides. Alhamdulillah. I hope you can take advantage of this for both sides. So قوانين التعليم عن بعد. Rules of teaching online. Look at this. See, this is قوانين right here. Can you see? Okay, very good. This is قوانين التعليم on قوانين التعلم عن بعد. I just want to make sure you are, you can see. That's good. I'm going to go back a little, back up a little bit so you can see everything. And the first thing you can do is, number one, اذهب إلى دورة المياه قبل البدء. You have to go to the bathroom before you start your class. See? اذهب, go, إلى, to, دورة المياه, restroom, قبل, before, البدء, before the beginning of your class. Before you start. This is number one, okay? Because if you have, like, for example, 40 minutes and you keep asking your teacher to go to the bathroom, you're going to waste your time and you're not going to learn enough for that day, right? So let's go to next. So the bathroom before you come, and then my advice to you, if you have to eat before you come to my class. ابحث عن المكان الهادئ. ابحث, look for, عن مكان, space, هادئ, quiet, quiet, right? Can you see the word here? Quiet, right there. هادئ. ابحث عن مكان هادئ. Look for quiet spot, okay? You're not going to stay away from any kind of noise. Not TV, mommy and daddy, somebody is talking in your family. Get away from them and find quiet space so you can be, inshallah, you can listen to your teacher. Now, before I do this, اجلس جلسة صحيحة. You have to sit straight and tall. This is good. It's good to sit because when you sit straight and tall, جلسة صحيحة, straight sitting, help you to do beautiful handwriting. Plus, please do not come to your classroom with your pajama. Take your pajama off, dress up before you come to class. Before you come to class. Let's see next. What else? What else? All right, here. You may need help. For what? You need help to start your computer. If you know how to do it, that's fine. If you don't know, you gotta call mommy or daddy. Mommy or daddy can come and help you to turn your computer on. Make sure you have the internet, the Wi-Fi, so you can have connection with your teacher and your friends. You can hear them. Do not unmute anybody. Do not unmute your teacher when you are talking, okay? Then اجلس حتى نهاية الوقت. اجلس stay حتى to نهاية the end of your time, right? So you have to respect the time. If your class end at 3 o'clock, do not leave your desk until 3 o'clock. See? Do not ask for, you are home, but you are in your class actually, right? You are in your class. And then here I just want to talk to you about those things. Please, we know you are talking from home, but you are in class. Respect your class. If you need to talk, raise your hand before you speak, before you answer. Do not ask for a bathroom all the time. Usually you have 40 minutes or 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Do not waste any minute from it. Use all of it, right? Do not go to your class hungry. Eat something before you go to your class, right? Those are my advices to you. And I'm talking about to mothers and the fathers or families. Please keep your son away from any kind of noise. Do not put your son next to the kitchen because you are cooking and he may talk to you. You may answer the phone, right? And he may listen to you. This is not good. Don't eat in your classroom. Never ever. You are in the classroom. You are learning. Eat before or in between. If you have a break, then you can eat. Then you can eat. Yeah. Right? Do not leave your classroom without teacher's permission. Unless if really necessary. Try to bring all your books next to you. So you have no excuse to go, oh, I don't have my pencil. Oh, I don't have my math book. Oh, I don't have my language art book. No, before you start, get everything next to you, around you. So when your teacher asks you about math book, here we go, teacher, I have it. See? You're ready. Your teacher asks you for language book. Here we go, teacher. We need the board and the pencils or markers. Here we go, teacher. You're ready. You have no time to waste. Because learning online, التعليم عن بعد, it's not easy. So you have to help yourself, help your teacher. And then you're going to learn. You can do it. I trust you. You can do it. And inshallah, see you soon. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.